Welcome back to Whelen Software Walkthroughs and How-Tos. Today we are talking about CenCom Carbide and the Lightbar page. The Lightbar page is where we'll either import a Lightbar we've designed or use the Design Lightbar feature to set up our Lightbar. Let's look at importing a Lightbar first. Click on Import Lightbar and navigate to where we have saved and exported Lightbar BXR file using our WCAD 5 software and open the file. Our Lightbar will be loaded and we can start programming. So now let's look at using the Design Lightbar feature. First, remove the current Lightbar by clicking Remove Lightbar. You will get a warning that you're about to remove the current Lightbar. Click Yes. So let's click on Design Lightbar. And in the Lightbar type list, select Liberty 2 Duo 54-inch with Duo Traffic Advisor. The Lightbar will be displayed on this page, allowing you to change the light head color and the light type. We can also select whether or not we have a Lightbar light sensor for setting low power. Once we are done editing the Lightbar, click Apply and the Lightbar will be loaded and we can start programming. We only need to use one of the two methods to incorporate our Lightbar for programming. To apply a flash pattern, let's select the switch we'll use to activate the flash pattern. So I'll select Slide Switch 1, and let's select the red and blue warning modules in the rear of the Lightbar. As we select them, they will be highlighted light blue. And we'll select a pattern in the flash pattern list. I will choose Action Flash. And as soon as we select the pattern, we see the flash pattern symbol has been applied to the selected modules. So I'll hit Deselect All and I'll click on the Simulate button. And we can see that all the modules are flashing together, simultaneous and synced, which means the phase is set to 0 or phase 1 and the delay is set to 0 milliseconds. So let's go ahead and stop the simulation. Let's reselect the warning modules. And here we can see the custom phase is 0, which is phase 1, custom delay is 0 milliseconds. So let's go ahead and click on the Alternate button. So we clicked on Alternate, the custom phase is going to clear out. And let's go ahead and click on Simulate. We can now see the driver's side of the Lightbar is alternating with the passenger side. When we clicked Alternate, we set the passenger side modules to phase 180, which is phase 2. And we left the driver's side in phase 1. You can set the phase on a module from 0 to 315 degrees. With the modules still selected, let's go ahead and click on Simultaneous. And that'll set all of the selected modules back to phase 1. And we'll click on Unsync. And this will set a delay on all our selected modules, starting with the corner module with a 0 millisecond delay. Then working towards the center, 10 milliseconds, 20, 30, 40. And the same thing starting at the passenger side, 0 millisecond delay on the corner module, then 10, 20, 30, 40. So if we were to go ahead and click on the Simulate button, we can see the modules start flashing almost together, but the longer the flash pattern is displayed, the more staggered or random it becomes. If we wanted our flash pattern to be an override pattern, we would check the Apply as Pattern Override checkbox. This would require our modules to be activated by another button or input for our selected pattern to override the active modules. Please stay tuned for our next episode. Thanks for watching.